there, Max the Pug here. The boss and Lynda took me to see a fireworks display near where we live. Now, I don't know what that is, but I do know that the grass here is delicious. Tastes like ravioli. What's this? There's a whole lot of noise around here. Good Lord, the sky's on fire. You know, I bet I could do that if you fed me baked beans near an open flame. This is definitely cool, but very noisy. I haven't heard anything this loud since the boss opened last month's cable bill. I'd like to forget that. Well, we really had a good time tonight, but you know, I think I'd rather go home and eat some peanut butter. Or how about pizza? Or tuna?